Let's talk about controversy this poll season, because as far as the poll panel, which is the ECI announcing the election dates for the national capital, the political dangle in Delhi is heating up. And in a fresh controversy, Chief Minister Atishi has claimed that the allotment of her official residence was cancelled for the second time in 3 months. Addressing a press briefing yesterday, she said that she received an eviction order on Monday and accused the BJP-led central government of snatching away her residence due to political vendetta. She, however, asserted that this will not come in the way of her commitment to work for the people of the national capital.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ने जो मेरा सरकारी आवास है, जो मुख्यमंत्री आवास है, जो मुझे अलॉट हुआ है मुख्यमंत्री होने के नाते, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ने मुझे 3 महीने में दूसरी बार उस मुख्यमंत्री आवास से निकालकर बाहर फेंक दिया। चिट्ठी भेजकर मुख्यमंत्री आवास का अलॉटमेंट कैंसिल किया और मुख्यमंत्री आवास एक चुनी हुई सरकार की चुनी हुई मुख्यमंत्री से छीन लिया।
Now, after the Chief Minister claimed she was evicted from her official residence, came a response from the PWD sources who have refuted the charge, saying that the allotment was withdrawn as the Chief Minister did not take physical possession of the house within a week as rules stipulate. They also cited the ongoing scrutiny of the CM's residence by the CBI and the ED, saying the allotment was made on the condition that the Chief Minister will cooperate with the agencies while they carried out their investigation. Sources further claimed that Chief Minister Atishi deliberately did not take the possession in a bid to stall probe agencies. BJP, meanwhile, has also slammed the Chief Minister, accusing her of lying, where they have cited failure to take possession as the reason for the withdrawal of the allotment. Now, while pointing out that she already had been offered 2 other lavish bungalows as well, however, she seems to be taking over this issue as eviction, saying that her stuff that was thrown out and she was evicted forcibly.
शीश महल में घुसना है, शीश महल से हटा दिया। शीश महल पे केस चल रहा है। आतिशी जी को शीश महल अलॉट हुआ, लेकिन सरकारी घर अलॉट होने का एक तरीका है। ये खाली ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं। क्या बात है? क्या छुपाना चाहते हैं? क्या है शीश महल में जिसको दिल्ली की जनता से या लोगों से बचाना चाहते हैं? यही कारण है कि आज उनका आवंटन पीडब्ल्यूडी ने रद्द किया।
17 AB मथुरा रोड, वो भी उन्हीं के नाम पे आवंटित है, वो वहां भी नहीं रहती। शीश महल जो उनके केजरीवाल जी ने खाली किया था, वो तो उनको लगभग 3-सवा 3 महीने पहले अलॉट हो चुका। वो उसमें रहने नहीं गई आज तक, क्योंकि वो तो स्मारक है, केजरीवाल स्मारक है वो तो इसलिए कि रहती वो कालका जी में है, वहां पर सारी सुविधाएं सरकारी ले रही हैं। क्या है ये? आतिशी पहले तय कर लें कि 17 AB मथुरा रोड उनका मकान है या 6 फ्लैगस्टाफ रोड पे वो दावा करेंगी।
Congress party, on the other hand, has slammed both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, saying that when the focus should be on the issues related to people, the two parties seem to be loggerheads at each other because of the alleged jugalbandi between them, that they were fighting over the CM's residence.
इस समय हमारे सामने जो सीरियसनेस है, इस समय वो मोदी जी और केजरीवाल जी की जुगलबंदी है। तो दोनों की जुगलबंदी, केजरीवाल जी की भी और मोदी जी की, उससे दिल्ली परेशान है, जिसके सामना कांग्रेस पार्टी कर रही है। और 5 तारीख को जनता से हम लोग इस बीजेपी की और आम आदमी पार्टी की जुगलबंदी से निजात पाने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी को वोट देने की हम लोग अपील कर रहे हैं। लोकसभा में और राज्यसभा में कई बार ऐसे मौके आए जहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सामना करने की जरूरत पड़ी, तो ये उनके साथ खड़े हुए पाए गए। और ये तो पूरा देश गवाही देगा कि राहुल गांधी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो तमाम मुश्किलों के सामने भी मोदी जी का सामना कर रहे हैं।
Well, let's get in a word from Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, good morning. As the Delhi dangle dates that have now been announced for the election come February 5th, it seems that almost on a daily basis we are looking at fresh controversies that have been erupting. This time it is over the CM's residence.
Well, that's right. See, every single day a new controversy is rising. Now, the Delhi Public Department has sent a letter to Delhi Chief Minister Atishi withdrawing the offer of bungalow number 6, Flagstaff Road, to be allotted to her, as she did not occupy the property within the required time fracture. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister did hold a press conference alleging that the BJP has snatched the CM's residence from her due to political vendetta, and this was the second time since she had taken over as Chief Minister that she was being thrown out of the house. In fact, she also stated that I was evicted from the house and my belongings were thrown out. Again, on the eve of announcing polls, I was sent a notice that my allotment has been cancelled and I do not need a house to work. I will live in the homes of the people of Delhi and work for them and deliver on the promises made. Meanwhile, the BJP also had leveled serious allegation against Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, stating that she did not occupy the bungalow that was allotted to her in the allotted time, as well as the residence, which is AB 17 in Mathura Road. In fact, that residence also she does not use. So clearly the BJP also escalating its attack on the Delhi Chief Minister.
And the Congress citing Jugalbandi, saying that when it comes to the people's issues, they are being ignored on part of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Stay on with us, Sabyasachi, because this row over CM's residence allotment, when it comes to the charges and the rebuttal that is now coming in from the PWD sources that we are learning, the Chief Minister has leveled the charge, saying that the BJP has kicked me out of my own house. The letter that they are taking away my residence, my belongings and my family were kicked out. They think that they can stop us from working. They tried to take away my house earlier as well. Now, PWD sources have been refuting her claim, saying that she did not take the possession of the house within a week. And Sheesh Mahal, which is under the scrutiny of the agencies like the CBI and the ED, and the allotment was done on the condition that the Chief Minister will cooperate with the agencies, and the possession deliberately wasn't taken to stall the probe agencies. So that has been as far as when we talk about the Delhi Dangal controversy over the CM's residence. But however, when it comes to the